Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Amos Kester. We're back here in Ekenwa Road, off Ekenwa Road, the poultry project we've been showing in series. So there have been some developments. That's why we're bringing this video again. So behind me is actually the brooder house. There are a lot of stuff inside there because we've not started brooding. But you can see the net has been installed and some more activities have taken place inside. So basically, we're making this video because we want to show you the cages that they've been installed. The last time you saw the cages were not assembled yet, so they've been installed, and also some fishes have been brought, and we're trying to see how we'll stock the snail farm next. So those are some of the things we want to show you. So without wasting much of your time, we'll just take you inside and show you how the installation has been done. So we still need to tidy up the whole of this environment. So it's still very much a work in progress. And most of the activities have not been completed or concluded with. Alright, so these are the cages. So the last time you saw these things, they were not assembled. Now this is the drinker, the nipple drinkers, and these are the feeding troughs, while this is the egg collector. So they drink from here, they feed from here, and the eggs roll down to this part. These are 120 birds per unit cages. So this is the opening. You can have the birds in here, 3 to 4 birds, because it's 120 per unit. So that's how it's been built and installed. So it's down to the extreme end. Of course, we have 2 rows because of the scraper that will be coming in and the water tunnel that will be going out. So we had to make the tunnel over there. So if you come here now, you can see you can easily move across like this and come back here. So when you're here, you can actually attend to these cages on this line and also turn around and attend to this one on this line. So it's a massive structure. We have 30 units of 120 birds units here. This is 15 units and this is 15 units. So we have 30 of them here, and we also have on the other buildings. So I'll just take you to the other one and just give you a glimpse of it. So it's still a lot of work to be done here. We are not through. So we're just going to show you the other cages and we'll take it from there. Close. No, door is there, please. Okay, so this is the other one. Yeah, you can see the cages here as well. And these are some of the materials that have not been used. You can see some of them here. So these are the installed cages. So we're still very much a work in progress. We're not close to stocking because there's still a lot of work to do. Unfortunately, the engineers, the bricklayers have not really done a neat job as expected. They've been playing a fast one here and there, but those things happen. So, but this is where we are. We're expected to get something better, but whenever I come, it's one excuse or the other from the engineer. So, of course, this project is we're partnering with the owner. The bricklayers, the engineers were brought by the owner, and we are just to supervise and so on. So that's it. These are the cages, the battery cage system. So when you go under here, you stay here and do your cleaning so they can clean it. But since we're having scrapers, nobody needs to come under here. So the scrapers will do the job for the attendants. Alright, so this is the second. We also have the third one with cages. So for now, we're just going to call it a day because it's still the same setup. So the beginning one is for the brooding of the birds, and after brooding, we'll move the birds to the cages, then we start to use that structure for producing broilers. So we'll have broiler production section, we have egg laying section, and of course there are other things on the farm. The snail farm, the ponds, and so on. So we've shown it all before, but our interest in this part of the video is to show you the cages, and that's for you to see that they've been installed, because probably the next time we'll be here, or the next time we'll be making a video, probably then we would have put all the finishing touches to the structure and also bring in the birds. Then we'll show you that part of the video. So until we come your way again, thank you. God bless you. The number to call is +2348068525032. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that whenever we have more videos to upload, you get a notification. Thank you. God bless you. And bye bye.